Good morning, good morning. So, I got somebody coming by today. Going to pick up this box, and yeah, supposed to pick up the box. So we're going to try out my new camera. We're going to set it up. See how it does. So they're coming to get the toolbox. So I'm going to have to clean it out. And with it raining the way it is. Look at this. Ew, disgusting. Nasty stuff. All right. Get all these tools out, get to it, and we'll set this up.
My pizza? I know, right? He was recording last night.
I was recording last night. She's like, you know, you can't record in here.
Yeah, we'll get in trouble.
Would you care, Bree?
Stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Stop it.
I look horrible today.
I don't know. That looks good then.
Take a bite. Here, I can't eat it all, and I'm about to have cheesecake with Avery.
Maybe I need to shave my goatee.
Maybe just a little. You know, close up. I don't have to.
So I'm at a distance. You griping?
Who got recording? He's recording me.
But still, I'm trying to eat and he keeps on getting my phone. I'm about to break my iPhone 7.
She's jealous I got an iPhone 7. That's fine. Look at my fettuccine Alfredo, cheese bread.
Oh, get a picture of our cheesecake.
You missed it.
And cheesecake already gone.
Man, Avery is split it.
And it's smoky.
What?
So here I am now. I'm actually at the Speedway. I want to go in here and get us a cup of coffee. And most likely I got to get some gas. On our way. Go pick up hay. messaged me before he got here. How do I know? Whoa. Am I doing anything I shouldn't be doing? Never know. Oh, look at the babies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh.
She thought she was.
What's she doing? What's he doing to you?
I wanted to go with her to see where she'd been going all the time. See where she'd been hanging out. I gotta scope the place out. See if it's alright.
Up to my mother-in-law's, and then I turned around and had to drive back, huh?
Are you ready? That's why she asked if you're ready, because that's the text you got to see if you're ready, or we might go ahead and go to Rulers.
Oh.
So she's like, are you ready? Yes or no?
I'm ready.
You're going to have to scoot that seat back, because I don't understand how you sit like that.
Yeah, probably because I'm over 6 foot and you're what, 5'2"?
I'm not 5'2", I'm 5'5", thank you. I really think I'm
Oh
only
my
5'2".
God. In to get what? Food?
We only walked in to get some lemon juice.
Some lemon juice. We walk out with a Hoover carpet cleaner and a Sanyo sound bar.
A movie and some perfume.
Amber has a movie and perfume. What now?
Beep beep. It's called a to beep, and then another to beep.
To beep, to beep.
To beep, to beep beep.
Here we go.
I thought
There
that
we
was,
go.
I thought that was with the fly.
I love that. You better
We
not
got
be
a new
missing my
entertainment
liquor.
center. We got a new subwoofer actually.
Of course I got a new
Yeah,
somewhere.
somebody had to go buy it.
Somebody wanted it.
Somebody just had to have it.
You know you don't love it.
But it is a Sanyo. So we're going to do the comparison on it. See what we think.
Can't believe I did that. God, I hurt myself running from her.
Hey, did you hear what he said?
Because I was laughing.
Hey, watch those pots and pans now.
I'm not gonna hurt myself. God. Wait, my fingers.